So myself, Dr. G. Sudhakar. So today I am going to explain about the data structures. So it is a very easy subject, but students are thinking that it is very difficult. For example, we can take the library example. Okay, in the library, so it contains a collection of books. Then the library follows the set of rules to organize these collection of books. Suppose if the books are storing in a one rack, it is difficult for us to search any book. For example, we can take the 1 lakh books. Okay, 1 lakh books. Suppose you want to find out any book, your search time is 1 lakh. Search the element. Suppose we are organizing the books in a different manner. It is divided into the branch wise. Again, the branch is divided into the number of years. It is easy for us to search. So the same way, data structure. So data nothing but it is a collection of elements. The structure give the how we can organize these collection of elements. Data structure is simply referred to organization of collection of elements. The coming to the classification of the data structures. So data structure can be classified into the two categories. One is linear data structures. Second one is non-linear data structures. So the way it is organizing the elements, depending upon that, the data structure can be classified into the two types. So one is linear data structures, second one is the non-linear data structures. Coming to the linear. So linear you know, so we are organizing the element one after the others. First we can insert the first element, then it is follow the second. The second is a adjacent element of the first. Again third is a adjacent element of the two. The same way, the way you can organize in a linear fashions, that is called as a linear data structures. So example of the linear data structure is stack, next one is the queue, linked list, extra. So non-linear nothing but we are organizing the data in a non-linear way. In this, the elements are no relationship between any others. So example of the non-linear is graph. Second one is the tree. So non-linearly we can organizing the data. So coming to the linear, you are linearly organizing the data. So example for the linear is stack, queue, linked list. So coming to the non-linear, graph on tree. So then you can go for the linear data structures. So first, stack. First, stack is a linear data structures. Linear data structures. So if the any data structures, then we have to perform a two operation on that elements. So one is a search second one is the delete, third one is the insert. Okay, so we are inserting the element, but coming to the deletion, it follows the last in first out. So that's why it follows the early format. So whatever the first element that are inserted into the stack, so that element to be deleted first. For example, so this is, we can take the array. First insert the, so 26, then 32, 65, 47. This is the last element to be inserted in the stack. So it is the first element, it is deleted from the stack. So that is called as a last in first out. Whatever the last element that are inserted into the stack, that is the element to be deleted first from the stack. So what is the deletion order is 47, 65, 32 and 26. Okay, stack is a linear data structures. So linearly we are inserting and deleting element into the stack. So then it is follow the last in first out principle. Whatever the last element inserted into the stack is, that is the first element to be deleted from the stack. So the main applications of the stack is, so recursion, thus coming to the second one is so in order to pre-order conversion, next in order to post order conversions. So there is a number of application there for the stack, but the main applications are the recursions. So infix to postfix conversions. The second one is infix to in order to pre-order conversions, in order to post order conversions. Coming to the next point in the stack is, so the last, whatever the element position, so that is indicated for insertion or deletions. So these call as a so in a stack you are performing two operations. One is the pop, second one is the push. So pop is mainly go for the insertion operations. So push is go for the deletions. So stack uses the two operations for organizing the data. One is the push, second one is the pop. So pop is easy to insert an element into the stack. Second, push, the push is represent the delete the element from the stack. So these are the main two functions used in the stack. So there is a pointer always is indicated is the top. It is a pointer, it is represent the last location, last position of the element. It refer the next, where is the last element to be inserted into the stack. The same way it is also represent the top, okay, the very, what are the element to be deleted from the stack. It refers the both. For insertion, what is the last insertion element? Position. Second, what is the element to be deleted from the stack. So these are all about the stack.